What is computer RAM?
RAM, or Random Access Memory, is a critical part of your computer. It's a high-speed memory where your computer temporarily stores data it's actively using. Unlike your hard drive, which keeps information long-term, RAM allows your computer to work with multiple programs and files quickly. The more RAM you have, the more your computer can do at once, without slowing down.
How does RAM function?
When you open a program or file, your computer loads it from the hard drive into RAM. This is because RAM can be read from and written to much faster than storage devices. As you work, your computer continually moves data in and out of RAM, giving you a smooth and responsive experience.
Why is RAM crucial for performance?
RAM directly affects your computer's speed and ability to multitask. If you don't have enough, programs may run slowly or even crash. With ample RAM, your computer can handle more apps, browser tabs, and activities at once, keeping things running quickly and smoothly, even with demanding tasks.
RAM and Multitasking Explained.
RAM is like your computer's short-term memory. When you multitask, such as streaming music, editing photos, and browsing the web, all those applications use RAM. If RAM runs low, your computer starts relying on slower forms of memory, which can cause delays and interruptions. More RAM means better multitasking with less lag.
How much RAM do you really need?
The right amount of RAM depends on how you use your computer. For basic tasks like web browsing or word processing, 8 GB may be enough. Power users, gamers, and professionals working with large files or demanding programs often need 16 GB or more for optimal performance and smooth multitasking.